Hello. This is how easy it is to use StreamVoodoo. So you go to video chat streamvoodoo.com and log in. It will ask you to create a room. Just choose a name for your room, put a password if you want to, and then your name, right? Create a room. Voila. Hello. That's it. That's how you use StreamVoodoo. And I'm in a broadcast room right now, and I can do anything I want here. So you have quality controls on the settings. Can you see this? It's pretty amazing. So you have 720p, 1080p, 3 megabits per second, 4, 10, whatever. The codecs are the different modes to encode video, right? If you know what you're doing, you will change this to whatever you want. PP9 is the most top quality that we have right now for 4K streams as well. So yeah, I can put 4K, look, and studio sound on. It gives you this sound that I have right now, which is broadcast quality. I click save. And look. Oh, do I look 4K to you? Maybe, but this is a 1080p capture anyway. So, but look, 3840 by 2160. So for those who know, this is 4K video, right? And how do you share this? Well, what you do in StreamVoodoo is you can get an output from my video to anyone you want, right? So if I copy my magic link here, click and buy it, right? Like each video feed has its own magic link. So you click on one, and you will open a new tab and paste that link, or you will give this link to somebody else. And this is what happens. Nothing? No, yes. Here I am. This is my output. So I can move my window here and try to fix my volume. Hold on. Like that. This is my output. So the magic link is giving you superpowers. Anybody that has this link can see you in real time with no latency and this quality, right? So yeah, let me show you what the quality means. Like I can do this, right? And I'm not even pushing that much of a bit rate yet, but this is a Sony camera and like, testing really quick here for you guys. Let me close this real quick. And let's see. So the bandwidth, right? I need to put like 6 megabits per second, or I can do 10. Like it's up to you. Hit save. Right? And the quality is pretty amazing. So if you see now, right? You can see it's pretty insane. Real-time video, right? With this. And it works in the browser. There's no downloads or uploads. Everything works straight out of the box. Incredible quality. And it's one click for inviting someone, and they don't need an account to join you if you don't want to. Or you can also send them a magic link, and maybe you get on the phone with them and just talk to them and share them, whatever. This is great. But yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and try it. StreamVoodoo.com. See you later.